Dear friends, today's lesson is about basic color correction in Lightroom. I'm gonna show you how to make a right hand side picture from the left hand side picture as straight from the camera. So I'm using Lightroom 4, and for those who are not familiar with Lightroom, we're gonna use Develop tab here with the Develop settings on the right hand side here, and I'm gonna show you those settings that I applied to this picture from top to bottom. I'm gonna leave before and after view so you can see how the picture transforms. And first of all, I'm gonna go to the settings menu and reset all settings so pictures look the same and we start all over. First of all, let's go to the basic adjustment menu. Here we have white balance, tone, exposure, and I'm gonna start with highlights. I'm gonna put the highlights to -100 so we can see everything which is overexposed is gonna appear back. Now we're gonna adjust exposure. There you go. Plus 1.67, and contrast plus 54. As you can see, the pictures are already quite different. Then we're gonna play with white balance. I like my pictures a bit warmer, so I'm gonna first of all, here the white balance is as shot, so I'm gonna pull the temperature a little bit up. Now it's 4500, and I'm gonna pull it a bit here, 4900 something, and I'm gonna change the tint as well a little bit towards the greenish. There you go. -8. Okay, cool. Then I'm gonna go to vibrance and gonna make the vibrance +9. With this we are finishing the basic settings, and well, you can stop here if you like. The next tab is color. I'm gonna make colors a little bit more vivid and juicy. So in this picture we have two main colors, which is green and blue. Let's start with the green. Here we have three lines: hue, saturation, and luminance. I'm not going to change the color, so the top one stays the same. I'm going to increase a bit the saturation, and I'm going to decrease luminance like this. Next we go to the blue color. Blue is the dress. We don't want to change the color of the dress, so the top one stays the same, and again we're going to increase a bit the saturation, +14, and decrease a little bit luminance, -10. Cool. Then we go down and we do a little moderate split toning. Highlights, I'm gonna do bluish, so I'm gonna choose blue here. I'm gonna decrease the saturation a little bit here to 16, and then we're gonna make shadows warm, so I'll leave it as it is, the hue, the color, and I'm gonna increase the saturation just a tad, 15. Cool. That's all with the split toning, and then we go to the details. Let's sharpen the image a little bit, 48. Let's go to lens corrections and do a little bit of vignetting, so it goes down, -66, -74, depends how you like it, and decrease the midpoint like this. Yeah, cool. And that's all, guys. As you can see, in less than 4 minutes we process the picture, and now it looks very vibrant and colorant, and yeah, nice, isn't it? I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, just post it in a comment. I'm gonna be happy to answer.